Starting a Facebook group is a great way to build a community around shared interests, goals, causes. To begin, log into your Facebook account and locate the groups section, typically found in the left sidebar of your homepage. From there, you're going to click on the Create Group button, which will prompt you to enter a group name. Choose a name that is clear and descriptive and easy for people to find. Next, you're going to select the privacy setting for your group. You can choose between a public or private group, depending on whether you want everyone to see the group's posts and join freely, or if you prefer to, limit visibility and membership. If you choose private, you can decide whether your group will be visible to non-members or hidden entirely. Once the privacy settings are established, you'll be asked to add people in the group. You can invite friends directly or skip this step and add members later. All right. Adding a cover photo is optional, but it helps make the group more appealing. After the group is created, you can set up a description, establish group rules, assign admins to help manage the group, to foster engagement, post regularly, and encourage members to interact with each other. Over time, your group will grow as members invite others. All right, that's how it works. Let me know if this helped you out.